Yes, Jennifer, and all our people this morning, and precisely we started yesterday, the week of emancipation. Afterward, we understand what this means, what we they represent as Raisal people. But this morning, I got a phrase from the Raisal Proverbs. Your spit in the air, it fall in your face. This is a very wise saying. Do you find it among the elders? They always want to teach us what type of attitude you must have in life, and this is one of them. If you spit in the air, it fall into your face. What they want us to understand, what is the teaching in these Proverbs? That anytime you do things bad, it won't come back to you. Anytime you do anything out of the way, sooner or later you assume the consequence. Sometimes you talk bad about people. You criticize people picking. You talk bad about their data. And afterward, what happened to yours? The same thing where you and they say about the next person family or the next person data. That's why you know if you do bad to nobody. Spit is a very despective gesture. Is a very despective behavior. So when you spit, it means you do something bad. When it spit, you mean you wanted to hurt someone. Spit is an attitude that really you mustn't do it in crowd, in public place. So when the proverb said, you spit in the air, it fall in your face, basically they want to teach you, say anytime you do something bad, it won't come back to you. Anytime you try to hurt somebody, it won't come back to you. So what then teach you with this proverb? No do nothing bad to nobody. Try to always do good, because sooner or later, it won't come back to you. Keep this in mind and make this week of emancipation, we can recover all these Creole sayings, these Raisal sayings, but not only as a proverb, but as a way of life, a way of behavior, an attitude that we must get in front of life. Never try to hurt no one, never try to humiliate no one, because if you spit in the air, it going to fall in your face. You know the amount of people that suffer today, the consequence of things when they do to other people, and maybe they don't even realize. The same way how you talk bad, you criticize, you hurt people, today you just suffer it. Because if you spit in the air, it going to fall in your face. Wise Creole and Raisal saying.